Hi, today we're going to replace 2 gig stick of memory in a Dell Optiplex 330. Now you don't need any tools for this, just the new stick of memory or the replacement stick of memory. So here's this side. Bring it back here for you. Oops. So you can see it better. There's this side. So on the top you have this latch. So first you're going to pull that latch back. It's going to bring this down like that. You just kind of pull it out. Alright, so now let's see the inside. Alright, up here we get our DVD drive. This is our power supply. Hard drive's down here. As you can tell, I have a SATA drive. We have the video card, motherboard's down here. So you can see all the connections. So if you're going to change the memory sticks, if you could see them, are up here, right here. There's the one, and you can see that there's 2 slots. So the 2 gigs of memory are already in here. Now I'm gonna go show you closer. So here's the one stick right there. Right here, and then right below is where we're gonna put in the other stick. So all you have to do is take your new stick, make sure it's facing the right way, and you're going to make sure that you're not plugged in, your power's not plugged in, and that you hold the power button for 10 seconds so it gets all the energy out, even if it's unplugged. Then you're going to push just hard down on both sides until both latches on the sides snap into place. And once they do so, as you can see, they're both in there now. And that is how you replace the memory. And then you could just fire it up and you'll be ready to go. To have a faster, better machine to run on. And that's your Optiplex 330.